Hello. Okay, back to work. I did not plan ahead on what I'm going to work on today, so I think I'll just start by fixing some of the bugs that I have. Yeah, I should fix the bugs first. So, just a moment. Let me bring up Trello. Okay, so I need to work on this particular bug. Right, I have a bug, so level 14, right? Hey, Lucius, yo, that was a good match today. Hopefully we can play again soon. Alright, level 14, right? Let's take a look at what's wrong with it. Close, yeah, it's so close. It's a bit frustrating, right? That it has to be settled in a sudden death. What am I doing today? I don't know. I didn't plan, so I think I'm just going to fix a bug first, and then I'll decide from there. So let me explain what bug I'm trying to fix. I can change my time to the match time, right? You're right. Yeah, I can change it to 8 minutes. Right. How's the stream quality now, by the way? It's okay, right? Just now it was red for some reason. Okay, seems to work now. Tournament is 8 minutes. Okay. Oh, what happens when you run out of time in tournament mode? I mean, like during a tournament, whoever has the most stocks win, right? I have not followed the competitive Smash scene in a while. The lower percent wins. Oh, I see. Oh, I didn't know that they do that. Interesting. Okay, so what is the bug here? Let's take a look. So I have a bug here, right? If you notice my tile set here, they are all the new tile set, which is the darker mode, right? The darker style, darker color and whatnot. I want all the tiles connected to the edge to be using the same tile set. So I need this and this to be switched to the new tile set as well. So that part is not working at the moment, so I will need to get it to work. Yeah. Oh, hey, Kalazor, hello, and Guan Yu, hello, Guan Yu. Currently choosing your NS vocations. Guan Yu, you're not. Eh? You're turning year 3 this year, right? How is it that you get to choose your vocation that soon? How does it work? Hey Kalazor, how's everything going? Let me bring up Pain. Must indicate preference first. Oh, so what's your preference? Air Force? Police? Hey, hello Mojko. Hello. Yes, I'm the Singapore doggo. Singapore doggy. Greetings. Greetings. I haven't like planned out what I'm supposed to work on today, so I'll just start by like fixing some bugs. Guan Yu says that you have to choose a few from different sectors. Oh, interesting. I never got to choose it, or maybe I just forgot. Huh. Anyways, when I load up the level, I kinda in load time, right, procedurally change all my tiles to the new tile set. So in the level editor, right, this is how it looks. Level 14. This is how it looks. You can see that it's using a different tile. But in game, I kind of switch it to the new tile set while implementing auto tiling. Now there is a bug because when I change the tile set, my intention is to change the tile set of all the tiles that is connected to the edge. Unfortunately, when I implement the switching of the tiles, I implement the flood fill, right, starting from the left corner, and the flood fill algorithm, right, will only change the tiles that is contiguous, which means it is only coloring all of the tiles that is directly connected. But now there's a problem, right? It means that this tile and this tile is ignored, which is wrong. So I have to fix it. Guan Yu asked, what did I get for my... Oh, you mean when I'm serving national service, what's my vocation? I served in the Air Force. But as a ground crew, I'm like kind of like the repair crew. But I don't repair aircrafts. I repair other stuff, but I think it's classified. I'm not supposed to talk about it. Yeah, I think. I mean, I just want to play safe. I better not talk about it. Yeah, Air Force. Yeah, I served in the Air Force. Hey, Amanda, hello. Am I making new levels? I don't know. I didn't plan on what I'm supposed to work on today, so I'm just gonna start by fixing some bugs, and if need be, right, maybe I'll do some. I'll write the code for the audio. So I want to rewrite the audio stuff that I've written previously. Okay, so first and foremost, I need to fix the tile. Fix tile issue. Okay, so how should I do it? I forgot my script name. Oh my god. Let me just take a look here. Oh, it's not this one. Let me just check where this is called. Okay, there we go. Update wall tiles, this is it. So how's everyone's day? Anything exciting happen? Oh, why am I doing the bit masking with the enum? Oh, this? Oh, well, I wanted to do auto tiling, so basically, how do I put it? Like, I have a few tiles, right? Like, for example, a tile at a corner would would have this would have the corners like outlined, right? Or the top right corner outlined. But that some of the other tiles will have like the bottom outlined. I have a lot of tiles that that I will have to pick based on its surrounding, and so all of these flags, like all of the enums basically, they describe the particular position. So if I am trying to figure out what tile this particular shaded square should be, I have to look into its neighbors. So this is the top left, right? It's the top, and then this is the top right, and then so on and so forth. Right, this is the left, the right, the bottom left, bottom, and bottom right. And I am basically just updating each of these flags based on whether there is a tile right in its vicinity. And then from there I can choose like I can pick out like what tile to use. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure if like this is a good way of writing it, but you know, I just write whatever comes to mind. If it works, I'll just let it be. Internet issue, so you didn't hear. Oops. It's okay. I'm just like very roughly describing my auto tiling code. Yeah, I bet it can be written in a more efficient manner. What is it used for? What is you mean what is this? What's the auto tiling used for? Oh, auto tiling is used for this. You notice this is how the level looks in the level editor. When I run the game, right, this is how the level looks. Oops, what just happened? Come on, Windows, don't do this to me. Hang on. Hang on. Okay, so what happened is I'm changing all the tiles via the code. Yeah, and since my tile right isn't just a flat color, there are like lines, right? There are lines along the tiles. I have to pick the right tile based on where the tile is and what is around it. Yeah. I hope that makes sense. But at the moment I have some problem. Like you notice this particular block here and this particular block here, they are colored differently. That's not the intention. My intention is anything right that is connected to the edge of the screen, right, has to be using the dark themed tiles, right? It has to be the dark color. So this part is wrong, so I have to fix it, right? So my problem is that I did a flood fill algorithm, right? Basically a pin bucket algorithm from the top left of the level, and I just did it once. I did it once from the top and did it once from the bottom, which means that areas like this and this is like skipped, it's ignored, which is not good. So I might have to like rewrite some stuff, which is something I'm not very good at. Hang on, how am I supposed to rewrite this? Okay, let's start by getting rid of this and getting rid of the loop. Start by getting rid of the loop. Hang on, I might want to keep this. Okay. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Wow, it's a bit of a lag going on right now. It's not good. I need a more powerful computer. Hey Ayanyang, hello. Yeah, I'm supposed to stream in the earlier in the evening, like 5. But I had something on. Yeah. Guan Yu, what's the algorithm? It's called flood fill. It's the pin bucket algorithm. Hang on, let me see if I broke anything. So Ayan Yang, thanks for dropping by again. Amanda asks, you mentioned there could possibly be a more efficient way of writing this algorithm, or is this the only way? No, it's not the only way. I mean, the flat field itself, right? I'm not using the optimal way of writing it, right? But it's fine, right? Because I don't have a lot of tiles on screen, so I didn't bother. As for the auto tiling, I didn't bother doing any research, right? I just write whatever comes to mind. So I'm pretty sure there is like more efficient way of writing it, right? Like maybe with lesser lines of code. Okay. Where was I? Level 14, right? Have I finished my devlog? I will finish it soon after the stream. I have captured the necessary footages and stuff. I can show you a sneak peek. So there's some screenshots that there's some images that I made that I will include in the devlog. Basically, I'm going to talk about my lighting implementation. Right, it's a few diagrams. Right, I didn't. I mean, it's not very well drawn, but you get the idea. Right, so this is basically how the lights, the fake lights in Jamjaboa works, right? Like this is the light source, which is just a circle, and then if there is like anything blocking the light, I will have to calculate, how to draw the shadow in. So this is how the shadow is drawn in, like that. So it's all faked, smokes and mirrors. Okay. Hey, thanks. I think the change in the recent change in the color scheme makes the lights more obvious. I think it used to be like really subtle that no one can tell that the lights is there. Especially when I capture it in like a GIF, right? And the compression just makes everything worse. You tried to run the Unreal demo of how do you pronounce that word? Elias? Or their Project Harmony audio solution. It's time to get a new laptop, Amanda. Oh wait, I needed to test something, right? Did I test it already? Oh wait, I did. Okay, so how should I do this? This is the flat field algo, which I just took from Wikipedia. This is the smart tiling. It's only on Windows, I see. Wait, what should I do now? Let me think. What should I do? Okay, let's just plan it out. I think what I can do is try a flat field here. Or no, I think it's easier for me to start from the bottom. Do a flat field here and here, and then just keep going upwards. And upwards. All the way until I reach the end. I think that's what I'm gonna try. I hope it's not too slow. It shouldn't be too slow. It's not like I have a lot of tiles, right? Mac version isn't out yet. Mac version of what isn't out? Mac version of the demo? So I need to change this as well. Damn. Index. Flood view from bottom left and bottom right. I hope. I don't know, I'm just gonna wing it. If it breaks, I will fix it later. Left and right. Elias? Mac version of Project Harmony. Right. So you have been keeping busy, eh? Okay, what should I do? Index refers to what? I don't even remember my own code. Hang on. Index. Where's index? Oh, index is here. Okay, this is the index of the tile. So a tile at the bottom left. The index would be tile map height -1, right? Times. I'm pretty bad with like working things out mentally, so I've made a mistake somewhere. Hang on, is this correct? Yeah, it's correct. Is it correct? Yeah, I think. You haven't looked at it because the Windows laptop is crappy. I see. Okay, now 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Is this correct? I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna put this in first and then see if anything breaks. You ended up installing Windows on your Mac. How much space do you have on your Mac? 14. Oh, okay, nothing broke. How about this? So I need the index left and right, one for the left side, one for the right side. Well, let me just mark it down so I remember. Where's my cursor? I can't see it. Oh, okay, there we go. Left, right. Huh? Okay, nothing broke. Okay, so I'm doing flood fill from. Okay, either corner is fine. Sure. Either corner is fine. So what I should do now is... Should I just queue everything? No, I should not. Let me think. Let me think, what should I do? Can I do this while? No. Let me think. Your Mac has only 500 gig, but you only had 200 plus gig left. 200 plus gig left, oh that's nice, that's more than what I have left on my computer. Oh, those Git folders is massive as hell. Alright, let's see. Index left, index right. What am I doing here? Maybe I should write a function for this flood field, right? Hang on. Flood field, Q. Let me think. Just copy this whole thing in. Constantly allocating and deallocating per flood field may not be the best idea, but I think I can afford it, right? No big deal. Hopefully. Index, something like that. Would that work? Right, and then... Oof, is that a mosquito? What the hell? Okay, anyways. Flood field. Left index. Hang on. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. This and this and this. Oh man, I have to pass them all in. Really? Fine. I've installed so many stuff on external SSD. Ooh. Tile map ID. Is that enough? Is that, oh okay, yeah. Looks like that fixed it. So tile map WH and tile map ID, eh? First the Q. Oh no, I don't need the Q, hang on. I don't need to have the Q here. Index. Index left first. Tile map W, tile map H. Tile map ID. And then I just want to run it just to make sure I did not make any careless mistake. Am I fixing the colors of the blocks? Yeah, I'm working on that. It's not gonna be fixed yet, it's gonna take a little while. Right? Okay, did not break anything, that's good. So what I'm gonna do, right, is something like this. While left is more than 0. More than or equals to 0. Yeah. So after each flood field, right, I'll have to climb up. By exactly 1 row, right? Each time I have to do 1 row and 1 row. So hang on, I just need to make sure that is inside equals. Okay, good. The check is correct. So I need to do a minus equal tile map W. I think it's tile map W. Okay, run it. I don't know how efficient this is. Probably not very efficient, but given how few tiles I have, it should be fine. Okay, you should have upgraded your RAM when you bought your Mac. Macs are so expensive though. So expensive. Oh, okay, I fixed it. Yay. Alright. You know, something I don't really like is how the lights just pop from the left corner to the right. Pop. 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 Damn. Do I want to fix it? Maybe not. Maybe. I don't know. I can fix it, I think. But okay, fine. Let me just note it down. I'm afraid of drawing the lights one more time because of the just scared that it will affect performance. Because I already have some performance issue on the mobile phone. Like the portal actually is a bit expensive on my phone, so I have to figure out a way to make it less intensive. So the portal, right, is actually a surface and with 3 sine curves drawn onto it. It was done with ColorSource input as well. Right? ColorSource was giving me suggestion as well, which is great, right? I got this thing that I liked. Now I just have to figure out how to make it less intensive. So I might be updating the animation like fewer times, maybe. I think. Instead of updating the animation every frame, maybe I'll update it at like 30 FPS. So it'll run better on my phone, maybe. We'll see. Cham Jaboa. Light plus portal. I mean, have portals affect lighting, and then I'll put level 14. It's not exactly a bug, but I'll just put it here. You didn't allocate enough space for a Windows partition. Well, time to redo. Okay, so I would like to go to is it level 5? Yeah, I would like to go to level 5 and see if the flood field is working properly. Alright, seems to work properly so far. Yeah, it's working. That's good. That's good. Okay, this has always worked, so it's fine. Ah, crap. Ah, crap. Whoa, almost died. This one has always worked. Let's go to the next level. Oh, crap, I forgot that my next level button doesn't work. This one is fine. It's not connected to the sites. This one is working. This one is working. It's a little bit weird, to be honest. Hang on. Okay, now it's better. I don't know if I need a white line here or not. I'll think about it. I might actually need a white line here. Oh, okay, it's okay. I can fix that later on. It's a low priority issue. Yeah, same here. Alright, fixed. So that means I can drop this under tests. Oh, that's a whole bunch of stuff. Portal graphics optimization, I'll do it another time. I'll do it off stream because I need to test it on my phone. Wavy Canon focus. Oh, how do I even do that? Oh, World 6 is done. Let me put it here. Let me put a few more things in my backlog. Jump, Jaboa, World 8. World 8. World unlocking animation, I need to work on it. Currency for unlocking world needs to be balanced, blah blah blah. I will work on this. Not enough space for Unreal, really. Oh my goodness. Okay, now that I've fixed this bug, right, I don't know what I should work on next. Maybe I'll just write some code for the audio, right? Let me think. I want to get rid of all my audio code. It's a bit rubbish. Let me see, where is it? Sound functions, right? Yeah, I want to get rid of all of them. I don't want to do it like this. Let me just find where I wrote all of this. Oh, wait. Before I start destroying my code, I should commit. Yeah, I should commit what I've just done. Fixed auto tiling of levels. Okay. Commit. Close. Okay, what's next? Yeah, time to get rid of all of the bad stuff. Sound effects play jump. It's a pretty primitive way of doing it. Where is it? Where's my play jump? Oh, there we go. It's here. Just get rid of all of the sound stuff. That's one. Down. I'll keep this around for later. Okay, how about this? You started using Git Kraken today. Wow. How is it like? How is it like? You have to share with me how it works. Because I have not experimented with any other tools except for Git Tortoise. Tortoise Git, I mean. Okay, this one I need to get rid of. I need to get rid of this. Collectible peach. Okay. I'll just comment this away. Bounce, okay. I have a bunch of stuff that I don't remember having written. Goodness. Bounce. Apparently I have a bouncing effect. Let's get rid of it. Getting used to it, I see. You're gonna remove your Windows partition. You know what, you should just get a new Windows laptop. Okay, sound effect, play. Oh no, there's so many of it. Time to get rid of it. I want to redo all my sound stuff. It's not good. There's another one here. Okay, let's run it. Let's see if it explodes. To do, delete this. There you go. Git Kraken is a graphical interface, right? Graphical Git client, right? Oh, what did I just type? 14. Okay. I see. Git Kraken. Okay, so I think I want to use my message passing system, my message bus. I want to do something like my message bus for the audio. Well, I can just use my message bars, I think. Let me see if I still remember how to use this. Notify, subscribed, unsubscribe, that's fine. Destroy. Destroy what? Free up the events, blah blah blah. Okay. Update. Okay, okay. Okay. Event subscriber list pairing. Hang on, I'm trying to remember. I'm trying to remember what. Oops. Trying to remember what these are. Event queue, yes. Notify is to fire the event, right? Right? Okay. Subscriber. This is just a callback function, isn't it? Why do I need an instance? Oh, I need to implement an on event. Okay. At the moment, Project Harmony is only for Windows and Unreal, but it's still in beta. No idea how far down the pipeline that might be. Right. If I can't find event in the map, okay, got it. If I can't find the event in the map, we'll create another list. Each event has a list of callbacks. I think that's what it does. What is this instance? What is this instance? The game object itself. Okay. Hang on, I need to think about this. Debug console. There we go, I knew I used it somewhere. Okay, I think I'll use it. I'll use it. I'll call it a sound FSX manager. SFX manager. Right, let's call it an SFX manager. Sound effects manager. So let's create a group. SFX. I'll just call it audio. Audio. O underscore SFX manager. Enum SFX events. Actually, should it just be an SFX event or just a generic event? A generic event would be so much better, right? But I'll have to define a generic event somewhere. Too bad I did not write the proper effects manager. That would make my code a bit cleaner. It's okay. Let's go to the game manager. And then I can start defining like certain game related event, you know. Right, let's call it game events. I can say like, oh, player jump. Maybe. This is one event. Am I gonna implement the not today? Not today. He gave me some non-finalized music, yeah, but I think I can already put them in just for testing. Did I manage to get a new jump sound? No, I I have yet to make a new jump sound. Yeah. It takes me a long time to get the right sound. That's the problem with me. Like sound and art takes me a long time. UI takes me a long time. Well, everything takes me a long time, so. Okay. New message bus. Sprite handler. Just a moment, I kind of forgot how to use this. I forgot how to use it. Okay. Text entry is an event. Oh, I need to call new. How expensive is this, Let me sing. I'm using BFXR. Yeah, most likely. You think the one I had was cartoon? Yeah, I know it's too cartoony. Yeah, I've mentioned it, right? Thanks for the reminder. Oh, should I even bother writing it this way? Let me think. I don't know how memory allocation of structs work internally in GameMaker. Like how expensive is it? Is it safe for me to just call new and delete like that? I think I would assume that it's safe. Do first, think later. Game event. Okay, there we go. Clear jump, something like that, maybe. Let's do it in the end step after everything has finished updating. Dot update. Destroy. Right, need to deallocate anything that I've previously allocated, maybe. Deallocate, so that's a destroy. Hello, Calazor. What did you do yesterday? You added the following thing and the player now has health points. Following thing. Damn, I don't remember what following thing is. Oh, you mean like in Celeste? Right. Cool. Do you have anything to show? Be lovely to see it in action. Can send a GIF later today. Okay. You're gonna make it do the thing I said would be tricky in third-person game. Oh, you mean like the collision and stuff? Camera collision? Wait. Is that what I mentioned? I don't remember. Going to make it when close to or basically push yourself out so you can always see it as it's your health. Right. Awesome. Sound effects manager. Not sure how, but you get it done. Yeah, man. As Ayanang says, right? Believe. That's the keyword. That's the keyword. Should I make it a persistent object? Let me make it persistent. Opening up GameMaker now, get this GIF recorded. Yeah. Yeah, believe. Exactly, believe. Believe. How did I start out with gamedev? I pursued an education in games programming. I went to DigiPen, or rather the Singaporean branch of DigiPen. I got my computer science degree, right? But it's like focused on games programming or computer graphics. After getting my degree, I decided to band together with a couple of my like-minded friends, and then we made the Space Jack. Right, so I made this game with my friends called Space Jack. This was my first ever commercial product. This one, Space Jack. Let me just... Okay, it's muted. So it's basically a... I'm not sure if I've shown this to you before, but it's a tower defense cum action shooter. Right, so you play as this engineer, right, who must run around in the spaceship, right, from arena to arena, while the enemy is, while the aliens are teleporting in and attacking. So the difficult part is that you are only one person, but you have to protect an entire ship. So you literally have to keep track of what's happening outside of your view. Yeah. So this is our first commercial project. We did the usual like dumb thing of not doing promotion. very naive, right? We made the game and then we just released it without much promotion. In hindsight, it's really idiotic. Yeah. So we made that mistake, right? We didn't really make much money out of it. After that, I had to like do part-time work, right? Well, basically to be able to make a living, right? To be able to put food on the table. So while I'm doing part-time work, I'm also continuing making my own games, and that's and so after Space Jack, I did a few things, right? I have like some really small titles, but my next one, like my next significant one, would be Serious Scramblers. Right, this is the one that I released 2018, right? In 2019 I brought it to Steam, and then last year I brought it to Switch. And it's a bit frustrating, right, to realize that, oh no, I just spent like almost 3 years on a small mobile game. So now I'm working on my next thing, right, which is the Jump Joboa. But this time around I'm not gonna spend too long on a single project. Yeah. So that's how I started, and that's how I got to this point. Not secure, oops. Okay, let's see, let's take a look at this. Imager. Is it this thing? Ah, right, yeah, that's the health indicator, right? Nice. Nice, and the color informs you of your health, right? Cool. Thanks for sharing. Yeah, not gonna spend too long, right? Famous last words. When it zooms to in front of the player, that's it protecting the player. It needs adjustment. Okay. It protects the player. Oh. Ah, right. I see. So when it breaks, right, that's when the next hit will hurt your avatar, right? I see. So that's how it works. That's when you did. Understood. Understood. On event. Hang on, what was I thinking? Alright. No, wait. Or am I calling the events with a message object? And then I delete the message. Oh, okay, I already handled the deletion. Understood. So it needs to take in the message. Why is message a built-in variable? What? Okay. How about MSG? Is message a built-in variable? Really? What is it about? I don't see it. No, there's nothing. What? Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong place. No, there's nothing. Nothing. Show message async. There's nothing. Meh. On event function, message. So my message is a struct that has a event and a parameter. Okay, time to write the switch statement. Message.event blah 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 case game event dot player jump. It's a bit primitive, but I think that should work. Okay. Yeah, I hope that works. Parameters. So parameters here, right, can maybe hold stuff like pitch, right? The pitch, the volume, maybe. Whatever. So what I do now is right, so if I were to just take this, so I'm gonna play this really horrible sound. Right? No wait, it's not gonna work yet because I've yet to fire the event. I've yet to fire the event. I forgot about that. How should I fire the event? Fine, I'm just gonna write a script called trigger event. It's a bit weird to write this now because like none of my other code has like handles events, so but you know, screw it. Screw it. Okay. Just a moment. Is this correct? Hello, Amanda. Supper time already. You've got a leaving alarm clock at home. That's nice. Player. Let's go to player. Player will fire some events. So when jumping, right? Jumping, jump. Trigger event. So here's the thing, right? Like if I have a FX manager, right? Game FX manager, then then this trigger event would also like affect the FX manager, right? I don't have to do stuff like, oh, spawn jump FX here. Yeah, but you know, never mind. Never mind. I was just doing the most straightforward thing when I was implementing this. Yeah, but now for sound, I think I want to implement it in a more modular fashion, I guess. Let's try this. Oh wait, no, this is just a wall jump, right? Let me do it to the actual jumping as well. Again, forgive me for my terrible finite state machine. This finite state machine will be changed when for my next game, but not for this game. Okay, let's see. Let's run it. Yeah, so just pretend you didn't see this code. Okay. Oh my god. On event callback function not implemented, really? Really? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, fine. Nice state machine, no. That's the naive implementation. No, it's a bit hard. It's a bit difficult to maintain the code because it's like super messy. It's like one huge switch statement. I think I know why. Okay, let me get rid of this. No, let me put this below. Nowadays, whenever you open his food container, he stands on his hind legs and put his paws on the console table. He can't wait for his meal. Aha, no crashing this time. Good sign. Okay, let's see. No sound, what the? Oh yeah, I know why there's no sound. Oh man. I'm super forgetful, goodness. Okay, let's get rid of this. People will think you're starving him. I'm sure cat owners will understand, right? Yeah, how do you like this terrible sound effect? Oh my god, my ears. Okay, so I have implemented a very basic sound effects manager. Should I figure out how to get the sound effects in, or should I do that off stream? Oh my god, it's only been 1 hour. Okay, let's see. By the way, is the binary block gonna be the same color? Yeah, I'm thinking of keeping it the same color, but do you have some suggestions? Do you have like other ideas on how it can be made better? Depending on the cat you think, Josiah is just a really hungry cat. Hungry boy, I mean. I see. Let's take a look at the level with the binary blocks, eh? Let's run it. I don't feel very creative today, like I'm a bit stuck. Okay, let's see. Where am I? Right. Binary blocks is in World 2. So... Oh my god, I forgot to turn off the sound. Please bear with me. There we go. Yeah, it's this color at the moment. Do I know what modules I'll be assigned next time? No, I don't. I don't know yet. You're not sure what other color is good. I see. The thing is, right, I'm almost afraid to tinker with colors. Because I know like I'm not good with colors, so I'm always hesitant, right, to make changes once I've settled on something I feel is safe. But it's possible that, you know, once I get like most of my other features up, I might do a further iteration, you know, on the colors to make it more polished or more beautiful. But at the moment, right, the color is chosen simply so that it doesn't stand out too much. Like it's a flaw, right? It's not like something that will hurt you or anything. So it's I chose a very neutral feeling color. Yeah. Color looks nice. Hey, thank you. Yeah, but thanks for pointing it out, Ayan. Yeah, thanks for pointing it out. Like, I mean, it's always good to you know, always look back at our own work, right, and think about it. Like, can it be better? It sounds so nice. Yeah, you're being sarcastic, right? Yeah, partially colorblind, so you're very bad at colors. Bright colors ain't gonna be fitting for the binary blocks. Right, partial color blindness. So like, do you have trouble telling what's that? Two colors that is hard to tell apart. Red and green. Is that like? Do you have issues telling the two colors apart? This is something that I'm still learning. Right? I'm not like very familiar with accessibility design. Not yet. Kazar says it sounds so nice. Come on. /s. Blue, purple for... Oh, I see. My entire game is almost entirely blue and purple. But I think the critical stuff are of different color. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for letting me know. Blue and purple. Okay, yeah, I'm a little bit stuck. I'm not sure what I should do now. Hang on, let me look at this thing. Should I work on this? Wavy Canon focus. Whatever this thing is. Wavy Canon focus. Yeah, maybe working on sound effects on stream is not a good idea because it's just me hitting randomize 100 times. Hang on. Let me mute my in-game audio first. You can always put a color blindness filter on it to see how it looks. How do I get access to a color blindness filter? Let me Google. Color blindness filter. How does that work? Oh my god, there is an asset. What? This is amazing. Color blindness simulation. Oh my god. How does one even go about doing this? What is the science behind it? Wow. Wow. I'm gonna bookmark this. Thanks, man. Thanks, Colorzor. You are super resourceful, man. You take your 50% cut now. Oh wow! Wow! Oh, Amanda did something. Hang on, let me take a listen. Wait, hang on. I need to. Ah, I hear it. Cool. Thanks. I kind of want to recreate the one in Celeste. The Celeste one is like almost inaudible, but I think you can hear like a very light, very faint sound. Yeah, I might try that. Doom doom. There are three types of color blindness. Oh, there are different types of color blindness. Right. 8% of men and 0.5% of women has impaired color perception. So it affects men more, right? 8%, that's almost 1 in 10, right? Cool. We've got links upon links of stuff. Let you know what I'm looking for, and you probably have some. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll ask you when I know what I need. That's amazing. So I think I will try doing this wavy Canon focus. The problem is I don't actually remember what this is. So I'm gonna look at my Canon levels, right, and see if I can jot my memory. Why don't I describe? I should have write more descriptive task. Goodness, I never learn. Okay. Canon levels are in 6. Canon focus. What focus? Oh, I think I get it. So when you hold, right? When you hold down on the button, I kind of want there to be some kind of an indication. So how do I improve on the feedback? What the? Did you... What? What? The f... Majuboa doesn't move anymore. What just happened? Wait. I cannot reproduce it. Oh wait, what? If I fire directly upwards, I don't move. What? Why? Why? Oh, I get it. God damn it. Okay, I think I got it. What are the chances of hitting like 0? I mean, it's a floating point value, right? Like, what are the chances I get exactly 0? What the hell? Yeah, oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing. Okay. Yeah, look, take a look, take a look, Amanda. Look at this, the Jerboa just decided to stop moving. Isn't it amazing? Yay! Experimentation in the lab gone wrong, yeah. Look at that. Oh, this is hilarious. What the hell? I did not expect this bug. That's crazy. Let me see if I can fix this. The funny thing is it went into idle, right? Idle. Wait, why would it go back into idle state? Oh wait, it goes from idle state to run state. If it doesn't run, it means... Wait, I don't get it. I don't get it, hang on. Move direction is equals to 0. Let me check. Let me check my state machine for a bit. It's this one, right? No, it's bounce. Bounce to land. Bounce. I went from bouncing to idle immediately. That is the problem. So bouncing... Hey, hello Mittens, hello. I'm gonna drop by to say hello if I go to... Oh, let me drop a shout out. Thanks Mittens, thanks for dropping by. Why am I coding so late? Nah, I will be sleeping fairly soon. No worries. Yeah, you all should check out Commander Mittens. Like, Mittens does a miniature painting, right, of Warhammer figurines. It's very chill and very awesome stuff. I'm a night owl. Yeah, I'm kind of a night owl. Good night, Mittens. Thanks for dropping by. Okay. I just noticed my facial capture is not working again. This always happens in nighttime when the lighting is not like it's not very good. Okay, from bounce I go to 4. Wait, do I go from bounce to 4? Bounce. No, it's not bounce, sorry. It's something else. It's shot. I go from shot state. Where's my edges? To run. Shot immediately to run. How did I end up in idle state? What the hell? So that means this thing, right? This part here, that should never be triggered, is actually triggered for some reason. Let me check. Show message. OMG, like that. Alright, I'll just run it. Mouth is still syncing, yeah. Yeah, because that's based on the audio input. As long as I say something, the mouth will move. You know the bunny emote by Mittens? It looks really familiar. Is it like from Silent Hill or something? Yeah, it looks like it's from Silent Hill. Which Silent Hill is it from? 3? I cannot remember. Okay, let's test it out. Which level was it again? Oh my god, I don't remember. This one? No. Oh crap, I forgot which level I need to test. Oh, come on. Is it this one? No. Oh, come on. Oh, okay, got it. This one. It's the one with the cannon and the moving platform. Ah, thank you, thank you. You have good memory. And I have like a goldfish memory. Okay, let's see. Nah, there we go. OMG. It triggered. This part here is not supposed to trigger. I don't know why it's triggering. This is like legacy code, right? This is code that is written for like some other games. This is not supposed to trigger ever. Why? Why is it triggering for this? Why is move direction 0? Oh, that game didn't crash. I purposely made it show a message. So there's this function called show message, and then I put an OMG in there. So just to test if it actually triggered this part of the code, because it's not supposed to trigger the part of the code. This part of the code. Right? If it triggers, I know that at least I know like where to look to solve this particular bug. And I think it's I don't know. I don't know why this is 0. That's weird. Why is it 0? Why is it 0? Let me just do a search. Find all. You wanna put spikes below that platform? No! Put spikes to solve that problem, right? No. Would solve the problem. Yeah, but I think in this case it would be a bit too much. Yeah, I don't know why it's set to 0 actually. I set it to 1 here, right? And then that's it. It's always supposed to keep moving. Why? I should check the short state. Shot. When I shoot directly upwards. Hang on, I have this code here, right? So move direction determines play determines Jerboa's movement direction. Here, I said that movement direction will be assigned the sign of current speed. So current speed x, like, so if the cannon is like this, right? If the cannon is like this, so like for example, this is the cannon. So if the cannon is pointed this way, I'm essentially taking the x component of this particular vector, and then I'm putting like I'm applying the sine function on it. Well, as in not sin but rather sign. I want to get the sine of this particular x component. So what do I call this? Current speed x. So if it is pointed to the right, sine current speed, oh my god, can't write it, sine current speed x will actually be 1, right? If it is pointed to the left like that, then it will be -1. And for and it looks like I managed to fire the cannon, right, completely at a vertical direction. So that means my current speed x is 0. And apparently when I apply sine on 0, right, I get back 0. And this 0 is then assigned to move direction, which means that the Jerboa stops moving. Amazing. That's not good. That's not good. So I guess a quick way to fix it would be like if it is equals to 0, right, I just make it move to the right, maybe, right? Otherwise I don't do anything to it. Maybe like that. This would work, right? I think. I hope. Yeah, this should work, right? So I should probably write a comment, you know. Prevents bug where Jerboa stops moving when firing directly upwards. Does it mean I have to check all cannon? No. The good thing is that this code is written inside the player. So I just need to write it here and it will fix everything. Even if it's written inside the cannon, right, usually we just have like one instance of that code for all cannons. So it would not be a problem. Let's see. It's fixed. I did not expect that bug, man. Yeah, it's fixed. How is it that I can fire upwards? Doesn't seem right. It cannot be that accurate, right? It cannot be that precise, can it? Meh. Oh my god, I got killed. Let me try to get those collectibles. Ah, damn it. Damn it. Damn it, what am I doing? Damn it. Ah, screw it. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I'm not particularly feeling it today, so I think I will just try doing wavy Canon focus, and then I'll be done. Then tomorrow off stream I will work on the sound effects, I think. Oh wait, and my devlog, yeah, and my devlog. Almost forgot. Okay, so devlog, yeah, exactly. I kept dragging. I keep delaying it. So oh man, I have no idea. What should I do to the Canon focus effect thingy? So here's the thing. So when I'm pressing onto the button, right? When I'm pressing onto the button, right? Wow, my big finger here. Oh, I can't draw. Whatever. Okay, anyways. When I pressed the button, how do I make it feel like, you know, you're actually pressing the button and it's affecting the Canon? Will anything happen when you hold the button? Yeah. So when you hold onto the button, right, the Canon actually rotates slower. It rotates slower. Yeah, but I kind of want to do a more visual thing, right? So that it's even more obvious. Oh, when you're not in the Canon? Nothing. Like, let me show you. Let me show you. So if I were to just hold jump, right? See, nothing happens. Nothing happens. Because they already reacted to that first jump. So you're expected to let go of it. Let go of the jump. Okay, what about the Canon? I don't know, man. What kind of effect can I do? What if I attempt to draw like some kind of a circle around it, right? But then it just keeps wiggling, some wiggling circle. I don't know, will it look right? Let me try. I'm gonna try it without using the draw line function. Let me see if I can do it. First thing I need to do would be to create a sprite that is just a single dot. Sprite folder is here, right? Do I have a single dot? Single pixel. DOT dot. Nope. Pixel. Nope. Box. Nope. S underscore pixel. Wait a second, I have a white quad. Let me check this white quad. What's the size? 10 by 10. Nope, that's not what I want. Pixel, this is what I want. Edit image. Edit image. Resize all frames. Change it to 1 pixel by 1 pixel. Apply. Put the white color in there. Okay. White color. Okay, let me think. Let me think. Canon. Have a Canon state, right? Yes. Okay, this is my other state machine. Let's see. Unloaded. On idle. Unloaded. Loaded is the... No, shoot is the one. Okay, I'm just gonna try something. Let's try drawing a circle. Draw a circle around Canon. I'm just gonna try this without using the what do you call that? Draw line function or draw circle function. Hang on, It's my circle. If I split it into, hang on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Segment. Hang on. Six. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me. What's the wavy Canon for? I just want a visual feedback, right? For when you're holding down the button. So my current feedback, I feel like it's inadequate. It's not enough. So let me show you what I mean. Hang on, eh? When I jump in, right, and then I hold down on the button, you can kind of see that the cannon slows down, but I feel like it's a bit lame. Like there isn't enough to sell the fact that you are loaded inside the cannon and waiting to fire the moment you release. Right, so I think I can do more for that. How the living conditions in Singapore, is it expensive? Yeah, the standard of living, it can be pretty expensive. Let me think. What's the cost of an apartment? Cost of an apartment, I think it's correct me if I'm wrong. I have not bought my own apartment yet. Have to be 35 to do so. Let me see. It could be anywhere between. You know what? Let me double check so I don't give the wrong figure. Just a moment. Four-room flat. Costs. It depends on the location as well. There we go. This is let's take a look at this. I think it can be more expensive, right? Depending on where you're buying a flag. Yeah, so it can be pretty expensive. You have to spend like years to pay off your apartment. But in general, let me think. In general, is the working hours long? I mean, it depends on what industry you're in. I mean, it generally, if I'm not wrong, right? It's if you're done with your work, and it's like 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. You can just leave, right? It's not like in Japan, right? If your supervisor did not leave, you cannot leave. We don't have that kind of culture here. Yeah. How am I living right now? I'm still living with my parents. As is the case with a lot of Singaporeans that are not married yet, and it's like younger than 35. So I'm not at the age where I can just buy my own flat yet. Right, unless I get married, right? Then I can go and buy a flag. So that's one thing. Another thing is how am I living right now and only sustaining with a part-time? I have 2 part-time jobs, so I'm actually doing quite okay. Yeah. So in terms of living, I'm okay. I'm doing fine. I can pay my bills. I can give money to my parents. So that's not an issue. I think my biggest issue would be, it would be an issue, right? If I need to raise my own family, right? Then that would be an issue. Then I'll probably need to get a full-time job, right? Yeah, but at the moment it's not too big an issue for me. Am I planning to stay in Singapore for it? Well, my family's here, so I'm not sure. I think I'm fairly satisfied. Things could be better, right? Like with my indie stuff, I would obviously want to be sustainable, just through making games. I think that would be when I'm most happy. But I'm feeling fairly okay. I'm feeling fairly okay. I've got by doing part-time work, at least I have some freedom, right, to still work on my own project. So the thing is, I'm not sure if I can just, just leave leave my parents here and then go elsewhere. Yeah, it's I think it requires a certain mindset that I do not have. Mm-hmm. It can, but you're right. It can be pretty stressful here in Singapore, I believe. It can be pretty stressful. I mean, just looking at some of my peers, someone from Singapore who's struggling to get a job and feels very non-independent and insecure about the fact that they have to live at home. Oh. Someone from Singapore who's struggling to get a job. Oh my. Especially during this time, right? During the pandemic. Yeah, I think I heard it's affected a lot of people. Feeling non-independent and insecure about the fact that they have to live at home. Well, I don't get it. Insecure about the fact that they have to live at home? Where else would you live? Or they're feeling insecure about having to live in Singapore? Oh, they wish they can get a job and move out and stuff. Ah, understood. Right. So you don't feel dependent on other people. I see what you mean. As in with their parents, I think that's what they mean. I see. It's quite commonplace for Singaporeans to live with their parents though. I know in Western culture that's it's not like that. But I get it, yeah. I can get why people will feel that way. Like my own parents, my own mom has been sometimes have been bugging me to hey, when the time is right, when you're 35, right, you can buy a flat and then I'll come live with you. I'm like, oh come on, give me space, man. Give me space, mom. It's the you really like to live in Singapore, but the cost doesn't seem worth it. It can be pretty expensive, yeah. I mean, if you have the kachings, then it's pretty nice here, I suppose. But as far as food is concerned, right, it's pretty affordable, right? We have hawker centers. Those food is affordable. Right, but of course, if you're talking about a flat, the rent, a car, yeah, they are all super expensive. Getting a car in Singapore is super expensive. Super expensive. Imagine being a billionaire living anywhere you want. Yeah. Unfortunately, renting is not worth it. Yeah. You remember looking at them, you have to live with landlords and all of the listing says you cannot cook, cannot do this. Really? Wow, goodness. Yeah. Sorry, I wish I have more to contribute to the discussion, but I realize I kind of live my life without thinking about much, I'm like, oh no, I love making games, so I'm making games, and that's it. I'm a very simple person. Yeah, but I think sometimes I have to think a bit further. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not young anymore. XY, XY. Japan has hotels for like $10. $10 for how long? I guess you don't have much opinions about the ID tag politics in Singapore. What's an ID tag? Oh my god, my ignorance is showing. Please enlighten me. What ID tag? Oh, yeah. I mean, the token, right? The token. Yeah, I mean, I carry that around. I carry that around because it's required for my job. When I need to enter the school, I need that token in order to get into the school. Yeah. There was a little bit of a controversy, right, regarding the your personal information being used in police investigation and such. Like, even though the minister said that it will not be used for stuff like that. Yeah, so yeah, there's some displeasure among the people for a while. Never said, but here's the link if you want to see. Ooh, thanks. Let me check it out. It's open source too. What? It's open source. I see. Gosh, I guess I have to look more into the thing about the tag. Yeah, I didn't bother looking into that. Okay, let's see. What's Doya? Doya can be found in the downtown of large metropolitan areas. You can get a hotel room for only $10? What the hell? For one night? Maybe one night? It's really cool. Your mom is a landlord, but yeah, she allows the tenants to cook. Landlord, wow! So at least there's some passive income there, that's cool. Also discrimination regarding landlords. I remember when a friend was looking for his own place, because you think his parents were moving overseas. So he's Indian Singaporean, and like so many landlords. Oh, it's unfortunate, right? Like racism is still a thing in Singapore. Racism in Singapore is a lot more insidious, right? Like it's a bit more hidden, you know. Would you say that it's more a thing with the older generations? Like the newer generations probably don't see people that way. There are many cheap hotels in Japan, which is pretty good. Understood. Yes. I'm Singaporean Chinese. That is correct. That is correct. So I definitely cannot speak for the discrimination faced by the minorities, right? Because I'm in the majority. Yeah, but it's definitely there, you know. It's definitely there. It's not very obvious a lot of times, but it's there. Okay, a pixel 0. What was I trying to write again? Alright. Interval. No. Chinese is the majority in Singapore. I mean, I cannot speak for what discrimination the minority has faced. Yeah. So we have like We have Chinese, Malays, Indians, Eurasians in Singapore. And I think Chinese made up about 70 or more than 70% of the population in Singapore. Singapore is like the smallest but most diverse country. Yeah. I like that part about Singapore. I really do. I really do. You know, like when our Malay neighbors, I mean way back, right? When our Malay neighbors were having their Hari Raya, right? You know, they would just come over and give us their snacks, you know, which is very cool. And and like each of the major race, right? They have their own holidays. Yeah, so we have like quite a number of public holidays. We have the Lunar New Year. We have Hari Raya, right? We have Deepavali. Kind of funny how it's SOS your mom. Right, yeah. Yeah, we are only 50 plus. Wait, 50, oh, 50. Oh god, I forgot the actual 50. Hang on. 50 what? 54? 56. Right. Can I remember? Is it 1960? Yeah, right. 56. Oh, damn. Yeah, we're a very young nation. There's like no real law that says landlords cannot put listings saying that they... Really? In Singapore? Really? No real laws, ah. Goodness. Well, it could be worth checking though, like... Divided by number of segments. What's my view on Europe and US? I mean, I think at this point you can kind of tell I'm not very well read. So I don't really have much opinion about other countries. I mean, well, I've been to the States for my studies for a short while, right? Like I study in Japan, and for one semester I have to go to the Redmond campus, right, which is in Seattle. No, which is near Seattle. It's in Redmond, yes. So it's in America, and while I was there, right, me and my friends, we went to a few places. We went to LA, we went to Seattle. And let's just say that I don't feel very safe, right? And I'm a guy, right? I don't feel very safe at night when I was in the US, right? In Singapore, it's like really safe. So that's I think that's an issue there, right? This thing isn't going as planned. Oh, Kalazor, what issues are you facing? Making the thing not clip inside the wall. Why don't you just draw it on top of the, on top of the wall? Why not just draw it on top of the wall? Just let it pass through the wall, that's fine. Well, how about you, Mojko? How would you? What's your take? What's your take on you know, Europe, US? You thought about that, but you know you wouldn't like how it looks. You will have to do. Let me think. What's a good way of you might have to do your own collision detection, right? AABB collision detection. You will need to write some code to determine from which side you are penetrating the wall. Let me see if I have the code here. My code is really messy though. Let me see. Oh, whoa! I zoom out too much. Based on how Europe, US, and I don't know much about like what's happening in Europe, but US definitely botched their whole handling, right, of the pandemic. Definitely. So one of the things, I don't know if I should talk about this, man. I know it's quite sensitive, right? Like yeah, it's really sensitive. Yeah, from Sweden. How's Sweden doing? Wait a second, Sweden. You look into the ABB collision. Ah, understood. At least you aren't doing as bad as France and those countries regarding pandemic. Okay, see you later, Kalazo. Not infection-wise, but land-wise, we have the most spread out people, but yet highest number of infection in that area. Oh. Curious question, are you all like mandated to wear masks? Wait, government is discouraging masks and is actively anti-mask. Why? Why? Yeah, the anti-mask thing is something I don't understand. Because it has proven to work, right? So why the you know, why not just mandate that you wear it and save people's life? Filled with brainwash oh, I see. But it can be worse than the US, right? With the, you know, the anti-mask protests. Oh my goodness. That's it's funded by the government. There's a lot of the individualistic mindset in a lot of those countries. No friends who have had other people send them clips in Germany or something that were shouting no mask, no mask. Huh. You think it has to do with individualistic? I mean, oh my goodness, I cannot pronounce that word. Individualistic mindset? I mean, does having an individualistic mindset means that you're more likely to be anti-mask? Really? I don't know, man. Is there something else about the culture? Is there something else? Point direction. Hang on. 0, 0. Eh? No. Length direction. Length direction. No mask parties is a thing here. Oh. There's no regulation. Wearing mask is taking away their... Really? Yeah, I've heard that talking point. Yeah, but it's I don't know. I mean, for us in Singapore, that is like completely like we cannot relate to we cannot relate to it at all. Like why is that taking away your freedom? Why is it like? I mean, you would want your grandparents to be safe, right? You know. Europe and US has a false sense of freedom. It's I see, a skewed sense of freedom. When you say individualistic, you mean more like people are very against doing what government tells them to do. Oh, right. So there isn't a trust in the government, I guess. I see. Direction is follow whatever their friend says. Oh man. It may also be partly because we have experienced it once before in Singapore. I was in secondary school back then. That's like, whoa, how long ago was that? That was like 16, 17 years ago, 18 years ago. Right, there was a SARS outbreak here. So we have experienced it once before, right? So I think like generally we are more prepared and more willing to take this seriously, I guess. It has a level of freedom, but isn't afraid to restrict and take away freedom for the well-being of the country, which is how it should be, where the point of the government, if they are not there to regulate... Right. So that's how you see Singapore. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the government here is a bit more pragmatic. There are other stuff where our government is a little bit behind, like you know, like stuff like the LGBT rights and stuff like that. Hopefully they will improve on that front as well. Yeah, but we are definitely a bit more pragmatic here. Right? I mean, the government is a lot more pragmatic here. I mean, it's a funny story, right? Like when we have I think I was super young back then, like maybe less than 10 years old. There was chewing gum. Chewing gum was a thing way back. And then I think people started, sticking gums everywhere, right? And then it became a huge problem. So the government banned chewing gum. That's a bit, yeah. I mean, it's a funny story, it's but yeah. I mean, that's what the government can do here. That's what the government will do here to fix the problem. Yeah. I guess to non-Singaporeans, this sounds almost ridiculous or almost funny, right? Dices are banned in wait, what dice? Rolling dice? No, we can buy dice here. We can buy dice here. Yeah, we have dice, we have mahjong tiles, we have poker cards. No worries, but just don't gamble. don't hold like illegal gambling sessions. Yeah, those are illegal. But nothing wrong with having dice and cards and stuff. No, we can have poker cards as well. Yeah. You thought they banned all kinds of gambling toys? No worries. We are not. We are not that. I guess we are not that. Devoid of fun. Yeah. Maybe that was China. I wouldn't know. I've never been to China. But I can see why, like, you would think that they are banned here in Singapore. I mean, considering they ban chewing gum of all things. But no, yeah, we don't ban, we don't ban playing cards. Yeah, so it's not a problem here. Okay. What else? What else? 90 in class. Yeah. So I have my student here in the chat, Lucius. He's played poker card in school. That could really have gotten him into trouble, but yeah, he did it. It's okay that I say it, right, John? Lucius. I mean, you're graduating. Oh, the security guard scold you. I see. You know, your junior got into trouble with the disciplinary department because he got caught playing poker cards. Goodness. He got permission. Hilarious. I hope no one from Republic Poly watched this video. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing now. Hang on. What am I doing? Oh, right. Draw sprite. X, Y. EXT. Oh, what am I doing now? Well, actually, I'm just chit-chatting. But I'm also trying to do. I'm trying to write some kind of a feedback for the Canon, right? Like when you're holding on to the button, and the Canon is moving very slowly. I want to draw a circle around it, a wiggling circle around it to show that you're holding down the button. Oh, have I ever chewed gum in my life? Yes. In kindergarten, that means when I was 5 or 6 years old, I have chewed gum, 5 or 6. But there are also other times where I think when I was in primary school, some of my friends, right, maybe be like, oh, you know, we went to, my family brought me to Malaysia, for a vacation, and now I'm back, and look what I smuggled back. And then they'll bring out a box of gum and then start distributing to friends. So I've also eaten the gums during those times. Yeah. Yes. We sneak in. I mean, I've never done the sneaking in of gums. I mean, I've never even been to Malaysia before, but I've definitely chewed gums. Yeah. Criminals, I see. Yes. Oh no, I have to delete the video. Nah, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Too much exposed. It's not a problem. I mean, how long ago was that? That was like more than 10 years ago. I haven't chewed gum since. Oh wait, I have. When I went to the US, I bought gum. Yeah. You can chew gum, but you cannot sell gum. Oh, is that what the law is? Oh, I see. I'm actually not super sure. 1 0 white 1. Okay, there we go. Gonna try fighting rage. Hey, nice. Let me know if you want to like play together on remote play one of these days. To unlock the hardest difficulty, you need to finish the game first, right? Get the currency, and then you use that currency to buy the hardest difficulty. Birds usually show up at McDonald's and steal your food. I guess that happens. They show up in a hawker center sometimes. And if you don't clear your, like, you know, like if the dishes isn't cleared fast enough, then they start pecking away at the food, which is not very hygienic. Yeah. So sometimes you will have like this what do you call them, like agents that come by and check on the cleanliness. Hang on. Oh, there was a bird eating around Starbucks. Really? Really, Lucius? In Sweden, you have bird houses that you can put outside your home that birds can eat from. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Unfortunately, in Singapore, we don't really have that space for bird houses, as we all live in high-rise apartment. A lot of community cats here, but they are all quite well taken care of. Oh, Amanda, do you know anything about the law where you're supposedly not allowed to have cats in HDB flats? Right? Like, wasn't there this discussion about like repealing that law? Because it doesn't really make a lot of sense, right? Do you know anything about that? I don't know what I'm writing anymore. Hang on. X1. X2. I'm writing a not so efficient implementation. Yeah, technically not allowed, but they turn a blind eye. Right. They don't enforce the law, right? Yeah. Understood. No, they don't enforce the law until someone complains about noise, right? Usually that's the case, right? So long as the noise is taken care of, then and no one complains, I think it's fine, right? Here's the new job. Wow. Oh, thanks, Amanda. You don't have to do this, you know. Let me see. Is that a song? Is that a song? Oh, that's nice. Thanks, Amanda. Maybe I can start with this. The game is so loud. Oh, you mean Fighting Rage? Yeah. You have to turn it down. Cool. Thanks, Amanda. So I just want to point out that I'm not very politically informed, but a lot of other Singaporeans are, right? They have a lot more interest in the politics and stuff. So I'm not a good indication of what most Singaporeans think, you know. Have you two been to Scandinavian streets in Singapore? Oh, I have not. I have not. Yeah, where is that? Really? Maybe I can write that down so I can check it out next time. Singapore, Scandinavian streets. It's okay. I can try to find it. Maybe I'll check with some friends. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks for letting me know. Obviously, I'm not. I don't know my own country very well. Okay, let's see. I+1. Point distance. I don't actually need to do this so many times. This is not a smart way of doing things. But I'll fix it later. X1, Y1, X2. Knows more about Singapore. Yeah, I know, right? I know, right? Oh, you used to have a Swedish friend. I see. Draw circle. Okay, let's see if I have the circle. Where's my bloody circle? Oh my god. Where is my bloody circle? Okay, hang on. Left, center. Center, left. Middle, left. There we go. (2:07 AM). That's fine. Apologies for my lack of progress. I'm not quite feeling it today, so I'm just gonna do it slow. Oh man, it's still not working. What did I do wrong? Hang on. Draw line. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Doggy getting bombarded with questions. Where's the questions? No, but it's a nice chat. I really enjoy talking about it, even though I'm obviously not very informed about a lot of this stuff. I kind of just shut myself in and then just do games because that's my main passion. I guess I need to read more about the world. Okay, let's see. Draw circle. Where's my circle? Where's my circle? What the hell? Josiah is angry because you haven't given. So what you waiting for? Stay in the bubble, the outside world is horrible. The more you learn, the more horrific it becomes. Yeah, it's scary sometimes. By the way, why is there like a button the player has to press to jump? Oh yeah, I remember you asked this question before. I'm still thinking about it. It's just that okay, let me see if I can explain this. Yeah, I know that's like a super good question. For one, right, one of the reasons why it's still there is because I'm the type that is a little bit afraid of making changes, unless it has unless it is like absolutely necessary. Another thing is because this is where this entire section here, right, is where our thumb would be. So there's a reason why the game itself, like the game's the how do I put it? The frame for the level, right? It's only starts like around this line, right? That's why the game is occupying the top half of the screen. and I leave a lot of space for your thumb. And given that this is the case, I have a I have a lot of empty space below. So you know, so the button is just there to let the player know, you know, hey, that's where you rest your thumb. Yeah, otherwise it looks like very empty. So that's one reason. That's just one reason. Another reason is, I think I mentioned this before. I think you asked this question during one of the dev chat, and it's because the button acts as an implicit instruction. So that's two reasons. Yeah. A third reason is I'm scared of making changes, so it's still there. Yeah. But that's not to say that I might not remove it. Like I might do something to it in the future. The way they say yes is like they're breathing in. How does that work? Draw circle around cannon. Why is my circle not appearing? What did I do wrong? Circle segments is 6. 6. Oh my god. Oh. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. Drawing it in the wrong space. Like that? What is this? Really? Oh. It's cool. Only in northern Sweden. Oh. Oh, Moko, what time is it where you are? I wonder what the time difference is. Huh? What happened to my circle? It's just one dot. What the hell? That's not a circle. Really not feeling it today, yeah? I can't even get a circle right. Oh my god. 2020. Really not feeling it today. Oh, I get it. Damn it. I'm using the wrong units. I'm using radian. Damn it. Let's use degree. See, why isn't it standardized, right? You know, when you use trigonometry. Mosquito! Did I get it? No, I did not. Damn it. When you use like sine and cosine functions, it takes in radians. When you use the gamemaker functions, you know, length direction, it takes in degrees. What the hell, man? Come on. Why don't we standardize it? Do 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 do. Oh, this bloody ugly circle. That's not a circle. That sucks. Anyways, anything can be a circle. I forgot to change the angle. Point direction, I'm sorry. Yuppers. It's dinner time. It's nice. It's like 2:18 in the morning here. Point direction. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. There we go. Mouth thing is so annoying when people do that. Ah. Oh, is that it? I didn't know. Oh, I see. Like, yeah, whatever. I find these like different cultural quirks rather interesting. Like, do you know if you look at an Indian person and then you nod at him, right? You just like nod your head at him. It means you are signaling for him to come to you. That's what I learned from my my Indian co-worker during one of my freelance work. That was an interesting one. I learned something about that. Does give mean both poison and marriage in Swedish? What? Okay, let's do more to this. Circle elapse. It's not pronounced give, but it's written like that. I see. Plus equal this. Right, so I'll just get this done and then I will take a break. Uh-huh. They are not pronounced like the English GIF. Ah. Oh, and there you go. It's not rotating. Why? Why is it not rotating? Times 10. Context. Oh man, this looks so ugly. That's not good. I need to change the color. Let's put more. 10. I think these two statements. Oh, I can't pronounce any of that. And then this statement cannot be used in the context of marriage. Okay, got it. Okay, now let's shake it up a bit. Let's shake it up. Let me think. How do I shake it up? Okay, sign. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. Sign times excuse me, times half plus half times half plus half. This would bring it to the range 0 to 1. Then I need to change the range to something else. Wait, don't I have a map range? Map range, there we go. This is 0 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. I want to map it to 0 to 2. This work? I don't know. Times no, cannot do that. times I plus 1. You also have 100 different ways of saying hello. That is really cool. Once someone from Sweden told you his friend from overseas was on the treadmill, and the machine was in Swedish or something. So when a friend finished her workout, the machine had the whoa. That's funny. It's not wiggling like I want to. That's not good. Need to change the color also. It cannot be white color. Getting constantly censored online. Oh no. That's an interesting story. Oh damn, I forgot to use this. Oh damn it. Okay. Let me change it. End station. End station. I wonder how this is pronounced. Whoa! What the hell? Too much rigor. That's not what I want. Who thinks I should? I'm sorry, I don't dare to do it. I'm a part-time lecturer. I don't think I should do it. If I say something wrong, that's it for me. Someone is gonna clip this and then send it to the school. Oh, this code is almost unreadable. Oh, that's not correct. Damn it. Okay, let's see. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. something is wrong with this. Hang on. Let me think. I plus 1. No, I should not do this. Oh, okay. Should be this. Then just run it and see how this looks. Oh crap. Oh crap, it's not joined. It's not joined because this thing is wrong. I need to do a mod for it. Need to bring it back to 0. Like that. Run it, and it had better work. Jesus Christ, what a hit. I see. Okay, I got something wobbling, but it's don't know, man. Why is the wobbling more violent here than elsewhere? Oh, right. I need to make some changes to this. I guess I can do a more memory intensive method. Circle ellipse. Let me think. Array create. Random range 0 to 1, I guess. Or 0 to 2 pi. That should work. And then I will just replace it with this. Replace this with this. I plus 1 mod. Number of segments. Like that. Run it again. Oh, no. Not really. Almost forgot. Let's do an update. Let's do this first. Times 5. I don't know. Magic number. Run it. This is weird, right? This is really weird. This is really weird. This is really weird. No, it's supposed to be some kind of feedback, but you know, obviously I haven't gotten it right. It's weird as hell. That's weird as hell. Oh my god. Fun fact, most Finnish people can speak Swedish since they are taught it in school from an era when Sweden used to rule Finland. Oh! Interesting bit of history there. School system in a nutshell. Yeah, yeah. I've forgotten a whole bunch of stuff as well. Circle ellipse, circle ellipse, circle ellipse. Offset equals 2. Let's just run it and see how that looks. Okay. Oh my bloody god. Looks like crap. Looks like crap. Looks like crap. Oh, this is not right, man. I think I'm really going about this the wrong way. This is weird as hell. Let me change this to say 12. 12. Change this to 2. How would this look? I need to change the color as well. Smelly fish in Sweden. How bad is it? It's practically for free. What's the appeal? If it's stinky, what's the appeal? Circle segments, blah 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 blah. Let's try adding this. Then I am going to people like stinky tofu. Yeah, I've tried it actually. You're talking about the Taiwanese stinky tofu, right? Yeah, I've tried it before. No, the Taiwanese stinky tofu. Let me see if I can find a picture of it. Taiwanese stinky tofu. There we go. Well, actually, from appearance, you can't really tell. It just looks like any other tofu, right? Yeah, but you can smell it like 2 streets away. It's pretty tasty, if I recall correctly. But I ate it like so many years ago. Someone should just make a food called disgusting. I'm just trying to like why do people like stinky food? Is it similar to why people like cheese? Maybe. You love cheese? Yeah, I love cheese too. Cheese is so good but so expensive in SG. What kind of cheese? The cheese slice at supermarket is fiction. Yeah, I know. Those don't taste very good. Let's take a look at how this looks. Oh my bloody god, why does it look like that? Don't know what I'm doing anymore. I don't know what I'm doing. Loaded. No, hang on. Loaded. Oh my, you gotta be kidding me. I need to do this check. Okay, I'm just gonna do it in a crappy fashion. State. Let me check my state machine first. New FSM, there we go. Check it out first. M state. This is not going well. Loaded. Coding game makers look so horrible as like functions inside functions, since create is technically a function. Yeah. I mean, it's technically a callback function, right? Yeah. Oh wells. I've gotten used to it. State machine. Why the mid-air control? You're talking about fighting rage, right? Is it really that bad? The mid-air control? When you tag the jump, it... Oh, I see. Really? I thought it just goes in the direction you're holding, you know? Like if you press the directional button, it will follow in that direction. Am I wrong? You're holding left and she jumps right. Really? Okay. Insane game. Regardless of the direction you're holding, it does. It does the back step, regardless of the direction. Oh, okay, okay. Well, I guess that's just the mechanic. I'm guessing we don't have mac and cheese. Sure we do, we have mac and cheese. Isn't mac and cheese super expensive then? I guess it's okay. I don't know, maybe it's lousy cheese. I don't know. I have nothing else to compare it against. I guess it's okay, right? It's somewhat affordable. Oh, they don't use real cheese for mac and cheese. I see. Not real cheese, eh? In that case, I guess I've been eating fake cheese all my life. Oh no. Oh no. Let's try this out. Oh my god, this looks like utter crap. Okay, I guess I need to draw it inside the surface. Damn it. Okay, fine, I will work on improving this. Okay, so first thing first. First thing first. What? $5 Sing dollars for 300 grams of tofu. Oh my. That is expensive. Okay, let me bring up my pixel edit, choose the right color. Not allowed, sorry boys in Sweden. Alcohol is really expensive in Singapore, right? I mean, I've never drank, but yeah, that's what I heard. Okay. Spirits is really expensive. How much is a glass of beer at the pub? Let me check. Amanda, have you drank? I have not, so I don't really know, but let me check. $8 to $16. Oh. How about something like Timber? About the same as here. Ah, I see. You don't drink beer, but your friends do. Right. How much is a shot of fireball? I don't even know what a fireball is. Here you can get 700 ml of vodka for 80 kr. Oh. Wait, how much is that? Let me check. 2 SGD. About $12, eh? 80 for a single shot. Guess the pub is, and people go to pub for the atmosphere, right? Soak in the atmosphere. Alright, let's see. How's this? Is this better? I don't know. It still looks like crap to me. It's because it's too smooth. It needs to be pixelated. I will fix it. I'll fix it off stream, I guess. Oh man, it looks really weird. Imagine paying $12 for some centiliters of liquid. I see. Oh, damn. Every time I say I see, I summon Siri. Hang on. Let me switch it to yellow color. This is not good. Looks like crap. 0.75. 0.7. Oh, we also have a law that prohibits outdoor consumption of alcohol, right? Past 11. Is it? Is it that? Or is it the... Wait, let me see. Let me check. In Sweden, the culture is that you drink before you go out. Oh! Since we have restaurant taxes, so alcohol is way more expensive out. So you get drunk before you go out. That's an interesting thing. Oh, right. In Singapore, you cannot buy alcohol past 10:30. Yeah. It's actually a pretty recent law, right? Yeah, it's a pretty recent law. Only a few years old. Or something happened. Can't drink past like 8 due to COVID. Ah. Yeah, this pandemic is it's really doing a lot. I feel like I just spent an hour to do something really crappy looking. Like, look at this. This sucks, man. What am I doing? That was such a silly thing that happened this Christmas. Yeah, alcohol supplier wouldn't do home delivery on Christmas and people were about to lose it and they weren't able to drink on Christmas. They almost cancelled the alcohol supply on Twitter. Wow! Yeah, I don't get it. Oh man, this is not good. It's not good. First and foremost, I think it looks weird because it's non-pixelated, so I have to fix that. Okay, you know what? It's like past 3. I spent more than an hour doing something that looks pretty crap, so I might as well just call it and then think about how I can improve this. Yeah, oh man, this looks so crap. Okay, I think I'll call it. So let me do a quick recap. Today I fixed a bug. Let's see. What bug did I fix? I fixed a bug regarding the flood field, right? The flood field algorithm. I had some trouble with it. So let me just draw it out. As a recap, right, this is what you usually do, just to cap things off. So, I have some. I mean, previously I wrote the auto tiling algorithm, and I procedurally changed the tile right in load time, which means that even though I'm using like this blue tile in the level editor, when I run the game, the tile is changed to use the new tile set, right? But I had an issue where even though like this tile here, this eye shape is changed properly, this part here and this part on the right has not been properly changed to the new tile set. So that was one of the things I fixed earlier in the stream. So let me see if it's let me double check if it's still working. Go to 14. There we go. Right, so it's working. Right, this is one of the things I fixed. And then afterwards, I fixed an issue with the cannon, right? Like for some reason my player just stopped moving if I were to shoot vertically upwards. So that was fixed as well, right? Just minor bug fixes. After that is when I worked on the feedback for the cannon. So I thought, like, you know, when you're holding onto the button, right? And the cannon just like moves slowly, right? So you're kind of like trying to time to wait for the right angle before you fire the shot. I felt like the feedback is lacking, so I tried drawing a circle around the cannon, but it's looking pretty crap. So I'll have to look into it. I have to improve it. I definitely have to improve it. It looks really bad. It looks really bad. Look at this. It looks really bad. One of the things I'm going to do is I'm probably going to make the lines pixelated so it looks more consistent, and then I'll see how that feels. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, whoa. Talking about alcohol. Let's see. 1 liter of Absolute Vodka is like $30 at duty free, but 80 at bottle. Alright, I better get going. So I'll just be trying to fix the feedback for the cannon, and I will be doing my devlog, and hopefully I'll be back again to continue the game, and I'll try to finish as much as possible before the month ends. Okay. Alright, good night. Well, it's actually good morning here, 3:15 AM. Good morning. See you, bye bye. I hope to see you all again. Bye bye.